World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June every year. The purpose of World Environment Day is to spread awareness about the threat to the environment due to rising pollution levels and climate change. The first World Environment Day was observed in 1974, giving a global platform for inspiring positive change in the environment. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. This year Pakistan will act as the global host of the day, in collaboration with the UN Environment Programme. The focus of this day is on resetting relations with nature. The ecosystem restoration refers to the preventing, halting and reversing the damage caused by mankind. The restoration of the ecosystem can only happen with measures, including planting of trees, cleaning up rivers and coasts, and rewilding gardens. Restoring ecosystem helps regulate diseases and reduce the risk of natural disasters. On this World Environment Day, let's take an oath to value what we have in nature and treat it in the right way by restoring ecosystem. Thank you.